So here we are again on site in our new development. Now another one of the first jobs I've spoken to you about it before is change the locks. This time we've got a door with a night latch and a mortise lock. So let's show you how to change both of those, although I will split it into two videos. On this one, the night latch. So we take the back night latch off. So that just comes away and leaves you with this. So there's two more screws just to undo. That's it. Then you're left with back plate, a couple of screws. I tend to use the old screws because they're all cut to length for you. We've got the little handle, the brass ring, and the lock itself. Now I'm just going to change this bit. So I've been down the DIY store, I've got a new one. Chosen one specifically with 3 keys, so hopefully I don't have to get any new ones cut. And you see it's got new bolts in, but I'll double check the old ones fit, because if the old ones fit, there's no need to change them, because let's say someone's cut them to size for you, so there's little need to do that again. There's no advantage. Yeah, they're fine. Right, now the tricky bit with this is, depending on the thickness of your door, is how long you want that. Now you see this one's been cut to size a little bit, and it's a little bit shorter than the new one. That's telling me I probably need to cut the lock down. But what you don't want to do, and this is a mistake I've made in the past, is don't copy the old one. Measure it for yourself. Because if they've got theirs one's too short and it's fiddly to get on the lock, then you're going to have exactly the same problem if you cut it the same size. So just check it. So pop the ring on, pop it in the little handle there, slide it in, back plate, and then just slide the lock on. So it almost fits, so I'm just going to take one notch off. So to cut it to size, I just put it in my grips, grip on, take my junior hacksaw, and then just cut that down to size. So I've just cut it to size with my junior hacksaw. So now we've cut it to size. The little ring into the handle, got the logo at the top typically, back through the hole, through the big hole of the back plate. Now I'm using the new back plate. It honestly doesn't matter. I use the new or the old one. Now this is a fiddly part, is getting the screws. We see the screws go in the 2 screw holes of the lock. And so that is the fiddly part of the job, is to get those in. As I said, there's the fiddly part. This one in, don't totally tighten it up until you've got the both in. There we go. And we just line it up just before we give it a final tighten. Make sure it's straight. Tighten those up. Now we're ready for the cover to go back on. You see there's a little slot in there, which obviously that piece slots into. Get back on, find the screws, And there you go. A little test, that should be okay. Right, obviously test the lock before you go outside and lock the door, because if you've got a problem you want to know before you do that. There we go, that all looks fine. There you go, job's a good one. That's how you change a night latch cylinder. Well, I hope that was useful, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.